Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Himanshi, aka that tall brown girl. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my 5 favorite lipsticks. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let me start with the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's the Maybelline Creamy Matte Nude Nuance, and for the longest time, I have thought that what's the hype behind this lipstick, but now that I have it in my hand, I know what's the hype behind it. It's a perfect nude shade. The color is so nice and nudish, and this is the one color that I'll go for, and the consistency is very creamy, and this looks so nice on my skin type. Whenever I have confusion like what lipstick to wear, I reach out to this lipstick because it's kind of minimalistic but it does its job. And to be really honest, I'm a sucker for nude lipsticks. Let me give you guys a close-up so that you can have a proper look how this color looks like. So the next lipstick that I have, it also lies in brown shades, and it's Nykaa's Chai. I know most of the people prefer Madras Kapi over Chai, but you can trust me on this that this lipstick is a savior because it have a perfect brown tint, and I've been wearing it for so long. This is my second bottle of this lipstick and I love this lipstick. So whenever I used to go to my office, I just used to slap it on my lips and I'm good to go. So let me swatch this lipstick for you guys. Ooh, so nice, right? It looks so nice. Let me apply this on and give you guys a closer look. The next lipstick that I'm gonna show is from Faces India, and it's their Jungle Red in the shade 29. Let's take a moment and appreciate how good this packaging looks like, and it looks so luxurious and so classy. Let me swatch it for you guys first of all. Okay, so it's the perfect red shade that I could ask for. Obviously not Max Ruby Woo, but it's nice. And one more thing, that whenever I feel like I have to go bold with my makeup, I just apply this and the work is done there. Next up, I have another Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade Hot Chili. Let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh. One thing that I love about red lipsticks is that whenever you're wearing some nudish eye look, you can just put these kind of lipstick, like red kind of lipstick, and you're good to go. You look sexy and classy at the same time. Let me apply this lipstick and give you guys a closer look. So last but not the least, I have this lipstick from Nykaa in the shade 25 Medley. I know I have this in a smaller size, but I'm going to get it in a bigger size because I just wanted to try this shade, and I'm liking this shade. So let me swatch this lipstick for you guys and show you how this looks. So this is how this lipstick looks like. I'm running out of this, so I'm gonna get a new one in this shade. Let me apply this lipstick and give you guys a closer look. Okay, so I know that you guys are going to say that after every lipstick swatch you have said that I love this lipstick, I love this color, but I really do love each and every color that I have shown you guys. With lipsticks, I play safe because I don't want to go outside my comfort zone, but I feel like I should take this challenge and I should go out of my comfort zone and try different kind of color like pinks, mauvish shades and all of that shades. I will try my level best to get out of my comfort zone and try different kind of shades, and I promise that a new lipstick haul will come soon. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Also share your views in the comment section below. They'll mean a lot to me. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right next to it, so every time I post a video you get notified. Till then, bye bye. After every